Ano bang background nitong suspect? Medyo malaki itong target ninyo nakuha, sir.
Our subject personality, si Dorex, he was previously arrested last March 2022 in violation sa Section 5 and Section 11 of RA 9165 or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. Now, after we filed the case, apparently he was subjected for probation, under probation, and pleaded guilty for a lower offense. So, na-desisyonan ng court na ibaba yung kaso niya from Section 5 and 11 to Section 12, which is na-approve, and nung nakalabas, ang naging kaso niya na lang is violation ng Section 12 of RA 9165 and under probation. So, pag sinabing under probation, supposed to be, hindi na siya magko-commit ulit ng offense, papakabait. Now, after his release, observing his probation, he was again monitored through the reports of our community that this Dorex is once again involved in the proliferation of illegal drugs, especially in his village under Barangay Patag, Cagayan, Opol, Misamis Oriental. So, we conducted 2 months surveillance and monitoring sa subject natin and found out na he was really involved in the proliferation of illegal drugs. So, yun yung background natin. His modus operandi, he was using minor area of operation within his village lang. However, yung mga parokyano niya pumapasok doon sa village na iyon, iba't ibang motor, iba't iba yung mga tao outside of that barangay just to get or buy the alleged illegal drugs doon sa area na yon at sa tao na to. Now, the subject personality, upon hearing that, upon validating and confirming that he was disposing illegal drugs inside his residence, we opted to apply for search warrant, which was eventually was approved. The search warrant was approved and was issued by Honorable Judge Abundiente. So, in effect namin yon last January 26, 2024. So, in-applyan natin siya ng search warrant under search warrant number SWA 012224-667. So, nag-conduct tayo at sinerve natin yung search warrant against Dorex Abisha. Even the witnesses were surprised, no? Kasi ang daming drug paraphernalia sa loob ng bahay, including the 2 defected firearms na na-recover natin doon and the bulk of shabu. Now, if I'm going to specify the evidences that were recovered, meron tayong nakita doon na 1 medium-sized brown paper bag containing 3 pieces large heat-sealed transparent plastic sachet containing alleged shabu. No? Kasi nung time na yun natin tapos meron pa tayong nakuha ng mga 5 maliliit na sachet na dinududahan din natin na alleged din na shabu. And then, meron itong kabuuang timbang na more or less 20 grams nung time ng operation na yon. However, sa progress namin, upon submitting those evidences to crime laboratory, ang naging timbang niya is 18.1580 grams of shabu. Ibig sabihin na patunayan na shabu talaga lahat ng na-recover doon with a SDP value of 123,474. The community has a very big role, critical role in our fight against illegal drugs. As you can see, without the information, without the tips coming from our community, we will not be reactive. Despite our effort, without the help of the community, wala din tayong magagawa. So, nangyari ito, yung operation na to, nang dahil na lang din sa sumbong Kasi yung mismong village na yun, nagiging apektado na sila. Ang daming tao na pumupunta doon sa area na yun, na mga strangers naman doon sa barangay na yun. So, hindi nakatiis yung mga tao. Many have reported to us. That is why we conducted monitoring and validation and really found out na talagang involved siya sa proliferation ng illegal drugs. So, the community participated in the fight against illegal drugs of the Philippine National Police. Sa akin lang, not only on Opol, but to the whole country, we are struggling still in the presence of illegal drugs in our country. So, we hope na tulungan natin yung kapulisan, si PDEA, na masugpo na talaga natin itong illegal drugs. It destroyed so many lives. It destroyed so many family. It destroyed so many futures ng mga kabataan natin wherein they were being used by these proliferators kasi alam nila na yung minor is mababa or minsan wala talaga exemption sa kaso. Now, we really need the help of the community. So we are asking, humbly asking sa support, even small information that will give us an idea and the hint to conduct operation, our step forward to conduct operation against these drug proliferators. Let us not stop unless matapos na to at masugpo natin yung proliferation ng illegal drugs not only in Opol and sa buong Pilipinas. And ang support ng ating local government unit kasi without their support, mahirapan din si PNP. The resources na binibigay nila sa atin at yung tiwala ng buong mamamayan sa trabaho ng Philippine National Police in our fight against illegal drugs.